Yo, what up friends? We're here at Sefriya. Overnight staycation lang tayo. This is a new place here in Batangas, so let's just check this out. Yo, what up friends? We're here at Sefriya for an overnight staycation. This is located in Batangas and bagong open lang siya. I think last year, 2022. Yeah, let's check this place out. Kasama pala namin yung family. Yes. Alright friends, so this is their pool. Yeah, pretty huge. They also have their own chapel here at Sefriya. Siguro for some occasions like weddings. Kaya mas okay kasi nasa isang compound na lang. Ito yung big hall nila dito. Once you enter Sefriya, you'll be seeing this building. Dito ata ginaganap yung mga events. Pero hindi ito yung room namin. Room to nila Jiden and Jiro. At yung kapatid ni Sari, si Ate. Yes.
Oh, nice.
Bye guys. See you.
Bye.
Alright, now this is our room. Room number 6. The smaller room. So ito talaga yung room namin. It's spacious, it's good. One bed, no TV. Okay yun, para ma-enjoy natin, makapag-usap-usap tayo lahat together with the family or kung sino man kasama mo dito. Kaya lang kung solo ka, malas mo lang. Pero may internet. Yeah, the room is good. Room tour ba? Room tour? Let's go! So that's the room. Gala tayo mamaya and then swimming. Thank you.
Hello, hi guys. Let's go to the pool na.
Alright, it's time to eat dinner. Let's go. Let's go. Right, we're busog. Ang dami namin kinain. Ang daming in-order kasi. And naglalakad-lakad lang kami here. para magpababa ng kinain. Let's just check out the surroundings here at Sefriya at night. Morning friends, solo lakad muna tayo ngayon. Nagbibihis pa si Sari and the rest. Ikutin muna natin tong Sefriya. Mukhang maganda kasi talaga yung area nila. Okay, I think they have 2 gazebos here. 2 huge ones. This is one of them. And the other one is just on the other side. They are both surrounded with flowers. Yung isa, that gazebo, I think they planted vegetable on one side and the other side is like flowers. No, yeah. Alright, it's time to head back for breakfast. It's almost 8 o'clock. Umorder tayo ng tocino, so tikman natin yun. That was the last bit before picture tapos check out na. Then si Sari naka-ready na for the picture. Alright, so nandito ako sa roof deck. It's so nice here. Ang ganda ng view. So as you can see, there's a mountain dun sa likod ko, and then you can see the Taal. I think that's the Taal over there. And of course, you can see yung front nila over there. Right, overall, it's nice here at Sefriya. Ang ganda ng place, no? And we actually met the owner of the place. She was so nice. Sabi niya mag-extend pa daw sila, which is good. Friends, that's Sefriya for you. I gotta go, inaantay na ako ng golf cart. See you in the next one. Peace.